Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems on LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.